Hi friends, we are continuing our Pandas series. Hope you are enjoying it, and we have learnt also from database, Excel, CSV. Then we have moved to different formats, taking data from the formats. In the previous one, we have completed our two JSON. Now we'll see, even if once we are generating a JSON string, then similarly we also can read a JSON string. So now we'll start with reading a JSON format. We are in our Colab platform. First we'll import Pandas as PD. So next what you will do, we'll create the data frame by using a JSON string. But this time we'll use the JSON from a URL or from an address in the net. So read JSON. Now what I am going to do is I will paste a URL here. So this is where the JSON file is available, or in the URL. Let's visit it and see how it looks. Here it is. So this URL, it is there in your description also. This is the output, a JSON string of 35. Same our student record only. The student record in JSON format, what we are using as our sample. So this will create a data frame. Now let's just print the data frame. Print df. Okay, let's see, 35 records should be available to us. It's reading, and you can see all the 35 records are available as data frame. Now this is how we will go pointing to an external URL and get the data as JSON. Suppose we have a JSON file in our system. How we will manage that? What I am going to do is here it is. I will right click, save as. Now let me just come back to my C drive. I store all my data inside C data. So here student JSON file, I am saving this. Fine. So it is available in my local system now. Now what I am going to do is, here I will upload that file to my session drive, sample data, upload. So here I am. Where is my JSON file? Is here, student JSON. So I am uploading this. Okay, this is available in the session only. Fine, understood. Now what I am going to do is, instead of this URL, let me write one more code block. So code here, I will say df equal to pd my pandas read JSON. But this time I am going to give the student JSON. So now my data frame reads from the local drive. Say this code you are running in your local system, you have to give C, then drive name is data, C data student, the entire path you can give. And now let's just print that, print df. This time it is taken from this session drive. So here it is. Let's close this. We are here. Now one more code block. This time we'll create a JSON string here itself without uploading or external URL, and then use that, because we want to study the orient option. So for that I will just paste a dictionary here. See this dictionary, earlier also we have used it. Very three keys, name, ID, English, and the list here it is, names and the marks are there. So this dictionary I will use it to create the data frame. What I am going to do is df equal to pd dot data frame. I am creating the data frame. What data I am using? Use the mydict. So mydict is the dictionary. So my data frame is prepared now. Now what I will do, earlier also just previously we had done the to JSON, means I am outputting the JSON string df dot to JSON. Now I am saying orient. This option I am giving, it will output me a string. In the orientation, orient I am using a split. This orient and take the different values like split, record, index. Index is by default, and columns, values and table. So all this will experiment. So now we'll get the output like this. Because whatever way we are getting the output, based on that only we will be reading our data frame. So it must be in the same orientation, otherwise the error message will come. So for that purpose, what we are going to do now is we'll be using read JSON again, from that string. What I am creating is, I am creating df, I am making it df1. So df1. Now this is at this orientation, it is df1 is there. Now let me close this, add one more code block. I have df1 in the orientation is in the split. So I am creating a data frame. Now df equal to pd dot read Json. Now do a small change here. This again I will override the df1 equal to fine. So here I am saying I am using df1. So this I am doing, and here orient I have to maintain the same one. So split. So then I am saying print df. So let's just see this. What's the output? Is not defined df. Okay, this I have to run it once more. Fine. Now let's run this. Yeah, you can see here and I have created, and the orientation is both are matching. I can use here records. So this format I am getting the output. So at the same format I can read it here. I will get the same output. Sorry, I have to run this because I have to generate it in the record format. Then this will match. Yeah, here it is. Now there are few more options are there. Split and records you have seen. Index is by default. Now columns. So we will say columns. So if I will run this and keep the record, I will get error because the formats won't match. I am creating the data frame in the column. Now I am running this. Okay, column has matched. Now let records as it has picked up. Now say values. Now if it is, I will say value. It will not. Let's see. Okay, let me run this again. Columns probably it is taking. Now let me use it as index and then use that value. It may. Because you can say this has taken all this as name, Raju, everything, and it has added its own column names because these two are matching again. Now after index, let me give table and value it will take. Now let me just use this as split. So let's see these two are matching or not. Let me run this. So it is in the table format. Now this is in the, it is generating error. So I have to press here table because what this format has to match. Second one I am running. That's all. That's all, friends. So this is how we'll read a JSON file. There are a few more options are also there. How to handle a date, precision, NA values and all. Once we go in further in data cleaning and all, we'll cover all those things. And during the date time series also, we'll cover few more. So this is how the JSON format, but few more format are also there. HTML, clipboard and other things also we'll see next. So before that, I'll request you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add new tutorials. We frequently do that also. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. Please share this with your friends and thank you for watching.